Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Microsoft Fabric data access with Entra ID, complete guide step by step. To begin authorizing Microsoft Fabric data access with Entra ID, first, log into your Microsoft Azure portal. Once logged in, navigate to the Azure Active Directory section from the left-hand menu.
In the Azure Active Directory dashboard, select App Registrations. Click on the New Registration button to create a new application. Provide a name for your application that clearly indicates its purpose.
For the supported account types, select the option that fits your organization's needs. After that, set the redirect URI if applicable, or you can configure it later.
Once you've filled in the required information, click on the Register button.
Now, you will be taken to the application overview page. Take note of the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID as you will need these later. Next, navigate to the Certificates and Secrets section in the left-hand menu. Click on New Client Secret to create a new secret key for your application. Provide a description for the client's secret and set an expiration period. Once created, make sure to copy the secret value immediately, as it will not be shown again. Now, go to the API Permissions section and click on Add a Permission. Select the APIs your application needs access to, and then choose the appropriate permission level. After adding the necessary permissions, click on the Grant Admin Consent button. Return to the Microsoft Fabric dashboard and open the relevant workspace. In the workspace settings, find the option for data access or similar. Select Add Data Connection and choose the option for Entra ID authentication. Enter the application ID and secret you obtained earlier into the respective fields. Proceed to configure any additional connection settings required. Once everything is set up, save your changes. You should now test the connection to ensure data access is authorized correctly. Check any logs or connection status updates to confirm successful authentication. If you encounter any issues, double-check the permissions granted in the Azure portal. With successful authorization, your Microsoft Fabric data should now be accessible via Entra ID. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.